Here are some amazing facts about kestrels. General facts. Small falcons. Kestrels are small to medium-sized birds of prey, with a wingspan of 50 to 75 centimeters 20 to 30 inches. Global distribution. Kestrels are found on every continent except Antarctica. Species variety. There are about 14 species of kestrels worldwide, including the Common Kestrel, American Kestrel, and Australian Kestrel. Iconic hovering. Kestrels are known for their ability to hover in the air while hunting, keeping their head still as they search for prey. Diverse habitat. Kestrels thrive in various environments such as open fields, grasslands, deserts, woodlands, and even urban areas. Sexual dimorphism. Male and female kestrels often differ in size and color. For example, males are usually more vibrantly colored than females. Wide diet. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, insects, and reptiles, varying by location and season. Falcon family. Kestrels belong to the Falconidae family, along with other birds like peregrine falcons. Size. Kestrels are typically about 22 to 35 centimeters 8.5 to 14 inches long. Common Kestrel. The Eurasian kestrel Common Kestrel is one of the most widespread raptors in Europe and Asia. Hunting and feeding. Exceptional vision. Kestrels have sharp eyesight, capable of detecting ultraviolet light, which allows them to see the urine trails left by small mammals. Hovering hunters. Their hovering behavior helps them spot prey from above before they dive in for the kill. High success rate. Kestrels have a hunting success rate of about 50%, meaning they catch prey in 1 out of every 2 hunting attempts. Rodent predators. Voles and mice are among their favorite prey items. Insect eaters. Kestrels also feed on large insects like grasshoppers and beetles, particularly in the summer. Urban adaptation. In urban environments, kestrels have been observed catching pigeons and sparrows. Stealthy approach. Kestrels use their quiet flight and swift dive to catch prey by surprise. Hover efficiency. They can hover for long periods, using wind currents to conserve energy. Scavengers. Although they prefer live prey, kestrels will sometimes feed on carrion if other food sources are scarce. Talons for gripping. Like other raptors, kestrels use their sharp talons to seize and kill their prey. Reproduction and lifespan. Monogamous. Most kestrel species form long-term monogamous pairs. Nesting in cavities. Kestrels often nest in tree hollows, cliffs, buildings, or old nests of other birds. Egg clutches. Females typically lay 3 to 7 eggs per clutch, depending on the species and environmental conditions. Incubation period. The eggs are incubated for about 28 to 31 days before hatching. Parental care. Both the male and female take care of the chicks, but the female does most of the brooding while the male hunts for food. Fledging time. Young kestrels fledge leave the nest at around 4 to 5 weeks old, learning to hunt. Juvenile kestrels remain dependent on their parents for food for a few weeks after fledging while they learn to hunt. Lifespan. Kestrels typically live for around 4 to 10 years in the wild, although some individuals may live longer. Early independence. Kestrels mature quickly and often leave their parents' territory within a few months. Breeding season. In temperate regions, kestrels usually breed between April and July. Behavior and communication. Kleptoparasitism. Kestrels sometimes steal prey from other birds or animals, particularly from smaller or less aggressive species. Vocalization. Kestrels make a distinctive, high-pitched clay-clay-clay call, especially during the breeding season. Territorial defense. Kestrels are highly territorial, especially during the breeding season, when they vigorously defend their nests. Mobbing. When threatened by larger birds or predators, kestrels will often mob them, harassing the intruder in groups. Aggressive displays, males will engage in aerial displays, including chasing and dive bombing, to assert dominance or defend territory. Use of perches, in addition to hovering, kestrels often use high perches such as trees or telephone poles to scout for prey. Migratory patterns, some kestrel species are migratory, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. American kestrel migration, the American kestrel migrates to Central and South America during the winter. Nocturnal activity, though primarily diurnal active during the day, kestrels sometimes hunt at dawn or dusk. Sunbathing, kestrels have been observed basking in the sun to warm themselves in cold weather. Evolutionary adaptations. Lightweight bodies, kestrels have relatively lightweight bodies, which makes hovering and rapid flight easier. Long, pointed wings, their wings are built for fast, agile flight, perfect for chasing prey. Forked tail, kestrels' long, fan-shaped tails help them maintain balance while hovering.